Hey, I'm Tom with Woodgrain, and today we are going to take this ugly wall and transform it into something beautiful. So, here we go. So, what do you need to install this wall? You'll need some tubes of liquid nail, you'll need some nail gun or hammer and nails, and you'll need a miter saw or circular saw. What you'll do is you'll start at the base and you'll run your first course. Make sure that it's extremely level because that sets a good foundation for everything else. Stagger your joints for a better installation, and then as you move up the wall, you may find yourself with a small piece that you'll have to cut at the top, but that's where you can either use a circular saw or a table saw to finish your installation. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Accents by Woodgrain. Great for small spaces, large spaces, made from 100% recycled and reclaimed wood. It's the perfect project for you to spice up your life. Boom.